Hey guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're kind of just going to be doing like a get ready with me or whatever. It's International Women's Day, so I'm just going to do my makeup how I want to do it because no one can tell me differently because it's International Women's Day, you know what I'm saying, period. So yeah, I was just like trying to come up with like a video ideas, and I have a few like written down in my little like book notes, whatever, where I keep my video ideas. But I was like, you know what, it's International Women's Day, so what better way to celebrate International Women's Day than me as a woman doing what I want to do, you know what I mean? So this is just gonna be like a get ready with me, doing my makeup crazy, because I think I'm gonna do like pinks and like a lot of blush and like maybe some more like flat back pearls like I've been doing recently. So yeah, I guess if you guys want to see me do my makeup, just like chill, hang out, get ready with me and all that good stuff, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm just going to start off by priming my eyes with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 16. So like I was saying in my intro, I'm basically just like doing my makeup in any way, kind of how I want to. Because once again, if you guys didn't know, it's International Women's Day. So celebrate yourself, you know what I mean? If you're a woman, celebrate yourself today. There's not much you can do outside because obviously, actually I guess unless you're in Texas, because they like open stuff back up and like you don't have to wear a mask or whatever. So like I fear for like Texas because like that's horrible. But okay, I'm doing pink, not because it's like women's, because not to be sexist, because men can like pink too, but I just really like pink. Also, it used to be my favorite color. I do kind of still think it is a little bit of my favorite color, but recently I've been getting more into like liking yellow and all that good stuff. So I was like, maybe yellow is my favorite color, but I do still really like pink. So I'm just gonna use pink, not because pink in women and all that stuff, just because me as being this one, I like pink. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do like some pearls because I'm extra, but I don't know, I'm just trying to like be in good spirits today. I am feeling pretty in a good mood today. I'm doing a workout, like just trying to like work out and stuff. I started like eating on a deficit a while ago, but I'll start working out, but then I'll stop because like mental health and then just like a bunch of other stuff. Not making excuses, is just the truth. I mean, I guess excuses can be the truth, but yeah, so I'm just trying to like stick to like working out and all that good stuff. So I worked out today. It's been a pretty good day so far, I guess. So I'm just trying to keep up my high spirits because recently I haven't been in the best mental health space, but I'm trying to keep up with like when I'm on a high. No, I'm just kidding, but when I'm on a high, I'm just trying to like think positively. There's literally no music, I'm literally just dancing. I'm literally using so many different palettes for pink. If this was a tutorial, you guys would be so angry because it's like I literally took up like the Naked tutorials, the Alyssa Edwards, the Sassy Hands, Blushing Berries, blah blah blah. I took so many different palettes and I'm literally still not even done with the eye. Like, get it together. So how has everyone been doing? I feel like I have been, you know what, this isn't a mental health video, but in all honesty, I have kind of been struggling like a lot. What's funny, nothing, but yeah, I have really been struggling with it. I'm trying to keep, like I said, positive vibes. Also, I have a therapist who I really like, who I like love, and she is leaving, so that is something that has also been, I literally have had so many therapists in the span of like a year and some change. I mean, not so many, I had 3, which I think is a lot. So yeah, I'm just really sad about that. I mean, obviously with my social anxiety, not only is it like super sad and stuff that she's leaving, I have to meet with like an all new person, and that makes me like obviously anxious and stuff because I have social anxiety. So it's just like, should I like give up on therapy altogether? Should I like, I don't know, it's just like really hard, but I don't know. Not that this is supposed to be a mental health check-in, but like what else? I do nothing else besides makeup and be depressed and have anxiety all day. I'm not making it into a joke. I mean, like, it's just how I deal with stuff to like make deprecating jokes and stuff like that. But yeah, I literally like do nothing else. So, and I am well aware that the pink on my eyes is darker than the pink of my shirt, but we're dealing with that. I mean, we're not dealing with it, you're gonna have to deal with it because that's just how it is. You don't know how it is. There's things you can do, but you want to be a big baby about everything. Okay. I ain't the baby, you're the baby. I pay my bills are paid. Ew, I've been on TikTok too much. TikTok? I always say TikTok. I've been on TikTok way too much. Good Girls yesterday, how many people watched it? I thought it was so amazing. I love that show so much. I'm so happy that it's like back. Let's not even get into how fine Rio is. Manny Montana, like, hello, he's so fine. I love everything. Like, that show is just so good. The casting is amazing, the acting is amazing. I'm just excited to see what's gonna happen, and there's been so many seasons already, and it's not like, you know how like when there's several seasons of a show and you're like, all right, like, we're over it, sis. Like, there's only so many things that you can do, but no, it just keeps getting better, more interesting. I love it so much. I'm not gonna say anything about it just in case. It literally came on yesterday, and I would be so annoyed if I went on a video of someone doing makeup and they start talking about a show that I like, saying spoilers and all that stuff, because that's so annoying. But so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I really wanna, and other, I don't know, I really feel like I want to start like streaming or something. I feel like everyone's doing that now, but I feel like no one would watch me. I mean, people don't really watch my YouTube videos, so why would someone watch me unedited streaming and stuff? But I think it would be so cool to like stream. I really want to play like games and stuff because I love playing games, but I never really have people to play with. But I guess I should, like, I don't know, or like I just think it would be fun to like stream and like talk about stuff, maybe do my makeup on stream. I think it would be cool to see someone just like doing the makeup, because you know how like get ready with me's are edited and stuff like that, obviously, because like I'm not gonna sit here and post an hour plus long video on YouTube. But I think so, like when it's like you're getting ready with me, if you take a long time to get ready, the person isn't actually getting ready with you, because it's like, okay, now the video's over, I gotta find another video. But I feel like if it's like live, then it is the same amount of time, so then you're actually like doing your makeup with that person, if that makes sense. Anyway, I do think it would be really cool to like stream live. I don't know why, I don't know what I would do. I would figure it out, but I don't know. I feel like I'm just into it because I've been watching a lot of like people do it, so I'm like, ooh, this would be fun. But who knows, I feel like it would be a lot of work that maybe I necessarily won't be able to do because I don't know, but it's just something that's been on my mind. Okay, so I am going to do my foundation off camera. I don't know why, I just really don't like doing my foundation on camera. I think because I don't really like my side profile. I don't like a lot of things about my face. That's another reason why I'm like working out. I mean, I'm hoping that my motivation will stay motivated because I'm tired of like cutting out clips of me like turning sideways, looking down, all that stuff, because I hate my side profile or I hate like my arms and stuff like that. So anyways, I said all that to say I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, then I'm gonna come back and continue being extra, doing extra stuff, pearls, lots and lots of blush, all that other good stuff. Okay, so I did my foundation and I put on, you see how like I have a good amount of blush on. I was kind of trying to like blend it in with the eyeshadow, and I really like the way that that looks. Cute. Okay, I definitely want to use these pearls, but what do I want to do? What if I like do like pearls? Okay, we're gonna try something out. I probably shouldn't have recorded until I like had it down packed, but we're gonna try something out really quick. Okay, so I unintentionally turned it into like a butterfly, but I actually am like super in love with it. I think I'm gonna add one more here. So I want to zoom in and show you guys this because like I'm in love with this. Look at that. Period. Okay, so I am utterly obsessed with this look. I feel like it's so cute. It makes me feel so feminine and like girly and just super super like cute, and like makes my cheeks look so pinchable. Yeah, I love this so much. I mean, I knew I was gonna try to do like something extra. I mean, who knew a butterfly with the pearls, but like I just really love this. So yeah, I don't know what the last thing that you guys saw me do was. I think it was putting on the pearls, but yeah, I want to do a close-up because I feel like it looks really really cute. I mean, it looks cute from a distance too, but close-up it's like chef's kiss. I love this so much. So yeah, happy International Women's Day. Make sure you do something for yourself today because after all, it's International Women's Day, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm just in a really good mood, which I'm pretty happy about because like I said, my mental health has been down. I've been down bad recently. So yeah, it's just nice to do something that makes me feel happy, and that wasn't, I'm not about to cry. I was talking too much and I had something in my throat. And yeah, I definitely recommend trying this look. I know I didn't really explain it that well, which sucks because it's super cute. But it's basically just like a pink smoky eye with some darkness on the edge, just to like, my favorite thing is to like do a smoky eye that comes to like a point, but then like blend out some darker of that same color on the outer V, just to give it that extra dimension, that extra oomph, you know what I'm saying? And then these pearls are just in kind of like the shape of like a butterfly, so basically like you can follow the outline of the eyeshadow and then just this at the bottom. Like I said, I'm gonna do a close-up, so that might be like easier for you guys to see, but I definitely recommend doing this or just doing some type of makeup look that makes you feel very feminine, makes you feel very pretty, even if like pretty for you isn't feminine, whatever. Feminine is whatever you make it, honey, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, happy International Women's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not uploading on YouTube, you can follow me on my other social medias, which will all be in the description box down there. Take a look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, I never really say this. I mean, I say it sometimes when I remember, but watch another video. I'll have 2 videos at the end card, but like, if you like me, it would be really nice for you to subscribe and watch another video. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.